Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports in a feast, we were along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the shoulder of a goat was presented to him, and it was his favorite. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam started tearing and eating of it and said, I will be the chief of all human beings on the day of resurrection. Do you know why? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will assemble all the former and coming generations in a flat ground so that a beholder will be able to behold all and a proclaimer can transmit his voice to all, and the sun will come extremely close to them. At that time some people will say, don't you see in which condition you are? In what calamity have you been stuck? Why don't you look for a person who will intercede with your Lord for you? Some people will say, the father of all of us is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, so let's go to him. They will submit, O the father of human being, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created you with his hand and inspired you with a spirit from him and commanded the angels, and they prostrated themselves before you and blessed you with a dwelling in paradise. Will you intercede with your Lord for us? Don't you see what a calamity has struck us and what critical stage we have reached? He will say, today my Lord has expressed such a rage as he Jalla Jalaluhu has never expressed before, nor will he Jalla Jalaluhu express in future. He forbade me to approach a tree, but there was a lapse on my part. So I am worried about myself. You should go to somebody else. You should go to Hazrat Noah. The people will visit Hazrat Noah alayhi salam and submit, O Noah, you are the first apostle of the people of the earth, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has named you Abdan Shakura, a grateful bondsman. Don't you see which calamity has struck us? Don't you see what critical stage we have reached? Will you intercede with your Lord on our behalf? He will say, my Lord has expressed such a fury today as he has never ever expressed, nor will he express in future. I am worried about myself. He said, you should go to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The people will come to me and I will prostrate myself under the throne. It will be said, O Muhammad, raise your head and intercede, and your intercession will be approved. Ask, you will be granted. Muhammad bin Ubaid said, I have not remembered the complete hadith. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3340.